Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to deploy AI agents with Flowwise AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your Flowwise AI. Once you open your Flowwise AI, to deploy AI agents with it, first of all you need to build an agent using the drag and drop interface connecting LLM memory, and knowledge-based nodes. Now, once you've created the agent, you need to then deploy the Flowwise instance to a hosting platform like Railway or run it locally using the npx Flowwise start. Finally, you can host the deploy agent's API endpoint, integrate it with other applications, or register it with government's tool like Supervise. And once everything is set, you can deploy AI agents with Flowwise AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.